In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch between list, board, and timeline views. We'll walk through this using a simple project in your workspace, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to move between these views so you can look at your work in the way that makes the most sense for you. First, make sure you're logged into your workspace, and then open any project you want to work with. This can be a team project, a personal project, or even a test project you've created just to explore the features. Once the project is open, you should see your tasks and all the usual project details on the main screen. Now, look toward the top area of your project page. Here, you'll see the names of the different views available, typically including options like list, board, and timeline. These are usually displayed as tabs or labels across the upper part of the interface, just above your task area. To switch views, all you need to do is click on the name of the view you want to use. For example, if you're currently in the list view and want a more visual workflow, click on the board label. The project will instantly change to show your tasks as cards grouped into columns, which is very useful for tracking work in stages like to do, in progress, and done. If you prefer a more traditional layout with tasks arranged in rows, click on the list label. This view is great for quickly scanning all your tasks, sorting by fields like assignee or due date, and making bulk updates. When you need to plan over time, click on the timeline label. This will display your tasks across a horizontal calendar-style layout, so you can see when work starts and ends, identify overlaps, and adjust schedules more easily. It's especially helpful for project planning and spotting potential bottlenecks. You can move between these views at any time. Switching views doesn't change your underlying data, it simply changes how that data is presented. Any task you update in one view will automatically stay in sync when you switch to another. If you don't immediately see all three options, try expanding the view area, or look for a small drop-down or More Views option near the top of the project. Some workspaces may have additional views, but the process is always the same. Open your project, then click the view name at the top to switch. And that's all you need to know to switch between list, board, and timeline views in your project.